Good morning, students. Today we will learn about types of software. Our chapter is second chapter. Here we will learn about different types of softwares. You know that computer system is made up of hardware and software. You know about hardware and software. What is hardware and what is software? The components of computer system that you can see and touch. It is its hardware, and hardware cannot work on its own. It needs a software. So a hardware cannot work on its own. It needs the support of software. Without the software, a hardware is what? Nothing, only a box. So, children, hardware is see, it is like this. This is a hardware. You can touch this hardware. You can see this hardware. So, children, but the software that you are watching here in the video, can you touch it? You cannot touch it. Can you feel it? You cannot feel it. But the hardware you can touch and feel, but the software you cannot. So software is what? Software is made up of two or more programs, data and other related files. It instructs the computer to process how to perform some specific operations. Like, I instruct you children how to do your work. You should draw margin. You should write very neatly. Okay? You should put the heading. You should put the title. You should put the classwork and date in your notebooks. So these are what? These are the instructions to write your notebooks. In the same way, softwares are also given instruction to do how to do some specific tasks. Now children, you can see this is a calculator. Calculator is also a kind of software. Here you can press 1450 division sign and then 258. And when you will press the equal to sign, you will get the correct answer. You can press as many long numbers from the calculator to calculate any numbers, and it will give you results within seconds without any mistakes. You can make mistakes, but these softwares cannot make any kind of mistakes. Now children, you know there are two types of software. One is your system software and another is your application software. Both the softwares are as important as system software as application software. Both are very, very important. So here this software is divided into two parts. System software is already inside your computer system when it is installed, and application software is installed according to your wish, according to your tasks to perform. Like applications of system software is what? Without the system software, your computer is without life. It is just as the soul inside a human body. जैसे कि आत्मा होती है ना इंसान के शरीर में. In that way, system software is as the soul in the human body. Application software is just to perform some specific task. जैसे कि आपको अगर पेंट करना है तो उसके लिए MS Paint you will use. Understood? Like if you have to write letter, you will use MS Word or any kind of text editor to write the letter for writing part. So these are the application software to do some specific tasks. Now see children, in this figure how a hardware, it is a hardware. After hardware, there is a system software, and then at last there is application software. So In middle, it is a hardware. Hardware will perform according to the system software, and your application software will do your specific task, and here is the user. So in this way it is distributed in a computer system. Now children, what is system software? System software is a collection of programs designed to control operations of a computer system. It is the interface between the hardware and the application software running in a computer. Its functions are as follows. System software helps to run the other software in a computer. It manages various hardware devices and helps in communication among them. So system software is, without system software, there will be no life in the computer. It is the interface between the hardware and the application software. It just communicates between everything in the computer. It manages all the parts of hardware, and then its system software are of 4 types: operating system, device driver, language translator, and utility software. Operating system is what? Operating system is the most important system of the software. You cannot work on a computer without an operating system. There are different operating systems. Operating system are also of 2 types. It is of character based also and graphical user interface also. In character based operating system, what you do? You write the commands. Like if you have to delete, you have to write the command delete, delete, and the file name. But in GUI operating system, you just have to click the command buttons and your task will be operated. Now language translator is what? Language translator is to translate the language to the computer. You write everything in the English language. We use English language, but computer does not know English language. It only knows the language, binary language. Okay, binary language. That is what? 0 and 1. It understands only 0 and 1. So language translator helps the computer to translate your language into binary language. Then it gives the results, and again it converts from binary language to your language and give you the result. Device driver. Device driver is what? Devices such as printers, speakers, hard disk drivers, CD DVD drivers, digital cameras, image scanners, they require device drivers to work. A device driver is a software used to control and manage an external device. External device is what? The device driver takes commands from the operating system and pass them to the external device. Like the CD you are putting inside the computer, or USB pen drive, anything. So they are the external device. So here device driver works like that. Now children, come to utility software. What does a utility software does? Utility software does it manages the problem inside your computer and gives you the information about the computer. Like here, these are the examples also given here. Like you are working on a computer and you have lots of data, feeded lots of data inside it. But after time, what happened? Your computer start hanging, will not work as it is working previously. It slows down. It happened, children. If you have worked on a computer, if you have worked on the mobile phone also, same thing. अगर आपके मोबाइल में पूरा डाटा भर गया है, then what happened? Your mobile is working slow. It hangs time by time. तो ये कैसे मैनेज होगा? These will manage by using utility software. To maintain the computer system, utility software is designed to perform specific tasks related to operations on a computer. It ensures the smooth running of a computer by finding out the problem in a computer and information about the computer. Understood, children? So commonly used utility softwares are backup and restore, defragmenter and antivirus. Antivirus क्या करता है? It will find the virus in the computer. Like if you have disease inside your body, what happen? You get medicines. So in the same way, antivirus is also like the medicine for the computer. It detects the virus and then throw it out of the computer. Now we will learn about backup and restore. When you backup data to duplicate and store it, the duplicate can be stored on the same drive or it can be stored on a different drive. Taking regular backups helps you to protect your data in case of the original gets lost. अगर मान लीजिए आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं किसी डाटा पे और आपको ओरिजिनल डाटा लॉस्ट हो गया, then what will support you? The backup data will support you. Okay, if you have one copy of it, you can recover it